Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing my free Young Living essential oils order. Okay, so the order wasn't free. I saved my points, which you get points for like every dollar that you spend or point that you spend with Young Living. It's a little complicated. It's not like the most straightforward, but you accumulate points and then like the longer you're on a subscription, that's how you get points. The more per dollar or per point that you earn. Anyways, I saved a lot of points, and I used to share my monthly Young Living order, but I feel like it's boring now because really the only thing that we get is the Ningxia Zing, the like little energy drink cans, and the girls' vitamins and probiotics. So I would be sharing the same thing every month. I don't really get a ton, but I was excited to have a lot of points to spend on stuff because it's just kind of like a bonus thing, but these aren't like necessarily things that we use every month. Okay. My receipt, and here's how it comes shipped. This is something that I've used, actually I used to get the little spray bottle. This is a fruit and veggie wash. I used to just get the little spray bottle that you spray like the apple or whatever, but this is actually a soak. So you kind of fill a bowl or your sink with a little bit of this and some warm water, and it kind of washes your produce for you, which is super important. And we didn't used to do that and grosses me out, but wash your produce, guys. And that's a really good one. It's thieves, so it has like the power of those essential oils too. Love it. Ooh, this box smells like smells like licorice or something. Next, I restocked on this. This is something I get regularly, but it's not a monthly thing. This will last a year, so it's not like I get it every month, and it's exciting to share. But this, you use a cap full. This is the cap, and then pour it into a spray bottle, like a 16-ounce spray bottle, and this is a concentrate for an all-purpose cleaner. Cleans everything in your home. I have used this for like 3 years now, and it's amazing. It's my favorite cleaning concentrate. It has the power of thieves too, which is incredible, but it does last so long. I love that cleaner. If I ever stop altogether with Young Living, I'll still buy the thieves cleaner. And oh, so I guess if you aren't familiar with my channel and my videos, I was a Young Living brand rep, I think that's what they're called now, for a couple of years, and I stopped doing that because I like to share other essential oils and I like to compare brands because Young Living isn't the best and it's not the only brand that has high quality oils. So I like to compare, and they didn't like that. So I still order, but I'm not a brand rep anymore, or whatever they're called. This is the hand soap. I actually haven't tried this yet. I'm really excited. Luscious Lemon Foaming Hand Soap. So it comes with a pump, and then, so this is extra plastic. I don't really know if I'm a huge fan of all of that, but whatever. Ooh, that smells really good. That is like, what oils are in this? So spearmint, lemon myrtle, ylang ylang. This is, ooh, this is a good, it's not what I expected. It's like, whew, that is really good. It's not just like lemon fresh. It's more of like a warm and minty. It's really good. Okay, this we've gotten before. This is the Shutron men's wash. It's a 3-in-1 men's wash. It's a bunch of plastic on it. Like, it's not super sustainably packaged. There's a lot of plastic in the packing. But I can open this, and because I want to read the back and share what oils, I guess I can see through it. Okay, so this is the Shutron blend, which is, I love so much. It's kind of sweet and spicy, but masculine. It's a blend of oils for like a men's cologne, and it's actually, I think, a good like hormone support oil too. But it is Idaho Blue Spruce, which is a big supportive oil for men. Aloe, where are the oils? Ylang ylang, octa tea, davana, cedarwood, lavender, coriander, lemon, and Northern Lights black spruce. It smells really, really good. It is sweet, but it's also got all those tree oils, so it's really woodsy and masculine. I love this so much. This is my favorite toothpaste. I think it's my favorite toothpaste of all time. This is the Aroma Bright toothpaste. It's a newer one. Well, I mean, in the last couple of years newer, but it's whitening. Wait, is this the right one? Yes, Aroma Bright. Doesn't say whitening. I don't know if it did before. Yeah, removes stains while polishing, brightening. But it's like a smooth, it's a really good texture. And it makes your mouth feel super clean. I really do like that. I got a bar soap. I love bar soaps. They're very sustainable. No plastic packaging. Well, this is like wrapped in plastic, I think. It's very shiny, this little cardboard. So, oh, there's plastic in the box. Okay, never mind. But altogether, more sustainable than buying a bottle of, ooh, that smells really good. Buying like a bottle of body wash like this, especially a smaller one like this. You can dilute it. I know a lot of people do. It's like, why don't you just use a little bit less of the product, I guess, at that point. But bar soaps in general usually don't come wrapped in plastic like this. Ooh, this smells really, really good. Peppermint cedarwood. So it's very pepperminty, but also has like that grounding note of cedarwood. Okay, I got 2 Savvy Minerals products. I got a lot of stuff, you guys. Let me see if it says the total on here. I think it was close to $200 or 200 points. Yeah, it doesn't say the total. Okay, 2 Savvy Minerals. It's their clean makeup line. This is my favorite concealer of all time. I'm wearing it today. A tiny bit goes a long way. It's like a good medium to thick consistency. Just dot it here, and then blend it with a brush. It works so well. I've tried lots and lots and lots of concealers. I used to be just a beauty blogger doing makeup tutorials. I worked at Ulta. I've tried lots of concealers. This is really good. It's like a very pigmented, so like I said, you just need a tiny dot, and it covers really well while looking like your skin. It doesn't look like makeup is on your skin. All right, and this is what? I forgot. Oh, it's a lip gloss. I don't think I've ever had their lip glosses. This is the shade Embrace. All right, it's kind of shiny. Kind of, I don't know, we're gonna try it, but it does look like frosty, maybe. I hope it's not. I think these are infused with essential oils too. It's smooth. It's like a good medium. It's not like super sticky. It's not too thin where it's just gonna rub, like wear right away. Let's see if we can zoom in and get it better. The shade is okay. A good like summertime shade. It looks like it's a little bit minty, but not too much where it like burns you. I have a couple of peppermint like plumping lip glosses, and the girls are like, they will not even use them because they're so minty. But this has peppermint, and all ingredients in Savvy Minerals are clean, so you don't have to worry about that. I like this. It's not sticky. It's a very like good consistency lip gloss. Okay, has the pump. I'm gonna lose this. They also have a liquid foundation, which I haven't tried because I normally just use tinted moisturizer and then concealer, like hitting the spots where I need extra coverage. But if you like a full coverage, I think they have a really good liquid full coverage foundation too. This has changed. I haven't bought these in a while. They're in different bottles, but this is the hand sanitizer. This is the best hand sanitizer in all of the land. This is Thieves hand sanitizer. So it's made with ethyl alcohol that is, I think, denatured with peppermint or something natural, but it's really good. It's not sticky and it smells really good. The girls love this one too. These are kind of cute actually, the bottles. I don't know, they just used to come in a different shape. Okay, so that is everything. Let me know if you want me to share my monthly order, even if it is just even if it is just a couple of things each month. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you like natural living, sustainability, essential oils, and we also do videos on our dog, Frankie. She's an Aussie Doodle, so if any of those things resonate with you, I would love if you subscribed. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye.